Hi everyone, this is Inez P. Short in the MPA 520 Public Presentation class by Dr. Trace Rickman. Here's my presentation, Blizzard Crisis Leadership Styles. So I'm going to start at the 3 hours. 3 hours after the emergency, an autocratic and situational leader is going to immediately assess the situation, call upon their officials and community leaders, and initiate a plan to address the emergency. This can entail setting up a command post, sending an emergency SMS, and or posting updates on social media platforms, initiating rescue missions, providing medical assistance, ensuring that the community is checked on, and providing essentials if needed, and start clearing the roads. So after the 3 hours, we're going to go into the 3 days. And into the 3 days, the leader will continue in a situational style, but will also shift towards a path goal style. The situational style would continue addressing the situation and assessing the situation, but they'll also start thinking of the logistics that has affected the community and what steps to take next. Meanwhile, the path goal style is working with officials and local leaders to ensure that there's nothing in their way to accomplish their goal and will continue to support them with guidance and resources. This leader must be willing to also adapt to any situation that might have changed, which is why they stay in the situational leadership style. After 3 days, we're going to go into 3 weeks. Now that 3 weeks have passed, this leader has continued in a situational style but will shift to a democratic style. Using the democratic leader style, they will gather all official leaders who are on the front lines to debrief on the situation and start a plan to recovery. This can include collecting data, reviewing incident reports, speaking with local residents, and conducting their own assessment of the community. However, since it has only been 3 weeks since the emergency, this leader is still needed in the situational style in case they need to adapt to a second emergency that was caused by the first one. After the 3 weeks, we're going to go into 3 months. So after the 3 months, this leader will continue in a democratic style, but they're going to shift to a transformational style. Using both styles and data that has been collected, the leader will continue speaking with officials and the local community about the impact that this emergency has had on the community. Using a transformational style, this leader can start putting together a report focusing on what can they improve on, what can they do better next time, and share this vision with the community. This might include ideas such as providing an emergency guide to the local residents, providing walkie talkies to every household in case communication systems are down, and using a school building as an emergency shelter. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you.